Today, I'm super excited to dive into the Vivo X200 and X200 Pro, the world's first phones powered by the new Dimensity 9403nm processor. These two flagship devices are making waves with their top-notch performance and amazing camera systems. I have already unboxed both of these beauties, so be sure to check the link in the description for the unboxing videos. But today, it's all about a deep dive review. We will cover everything from design, performance, gaming, to their awesome cameras and, of course, pricing in the UK. Ready? Let's get into it. Rocket, but first, if you're new here, smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our exciting tech content. Well, let's start with the design. Both the Vivo X200 and X200 Pro have some subtle but interesting changes. The three-line X-Mage poem from previous generations is gone, making way for a cleaner and more minimalist look. The X200 Pro is a bit beefier with a 14.3mm thick camera module, compared to the X200's 12.1mm. This makes the Pro version's camera setup look more aggressive, while the standard X200 keeps things sleek. In terms of weight, the X200 Pro is 232 grams, while the X200 is a lighter 205 grams. Both feel premium in the hand, but if you prefer a lighter phone, the X200 might be more your style. What about the frame? The Pro comes with a frosted matte finish, and the X200 features a glossy finish. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below, matte or glossy. Sparkles now. Looking at the front, both phones boast a micro-curved design on all four sides, giving them a premium edge. And with 2160Hz PWM dimming, these displays are designed to be easy on the eyes, even during long viewing sessions. Plus, with a whopping 4500 nits peak brightness, outdoor visibility is excellent. You can enjoy Dolby Vision content even in broad daylight. Now, let's talk power. Both the Vivo X200 and X200 Pro are powered by the Dimensity 9400, the world's first 3nm chipset from MediaTek. This thing is a beast. With a max clock speed of 3.62 GHz and a G925 GPU that supports 3rd-gen mobile ray tracing, this phone is built for top-tier performance. Benchmarks? Well, on Antutu, these phones score an insane 2.91 million points, making them some of the most powerful Android devices you can get your hands on right now. Collision, but what does that mean for gaming? In our 30-minute gaming test, playing a demanding title like Genshin Impact at max settings, the X200 averaged an impressive 59.8 FPS with low power consumption of just 4.7 watts. That's a significant improvement in efficiency compared to previous generations, where power draw was around 5.7 watts. Bottom line, it's not just about speed, it's also super efficient, so you can game longer without overheating. Now let's dive into one of the main selling points, the cameras. Camera with flash. Starting with the X200 Pro, it comes equipped with a 200 megapixels HP9 ARPO telephoto sensor. Yes, you heard that right. It's borrowed from Vivo's X100 Ultra lineup, and it's insane. This sensor offers a 20x telephoto macro mode, allowing you to capture intricate details like never before, all while using AI to enhance your shots. Hammer and wrench. The main camera is no slouch either. It's a 50 megapixel Sony LT818 sensor with an impressive f1.57 aperture. The X200 isn't far behind with a 50 megapixels VCS Bionic IMX921 main sensor, plus a Zeiss 50 megapixels telephoto camera. The ultra-wide camera on both models is another 50 megapixels sensor. Vivo's camera game is seriously stepping up this year. Both phones offer features like Dolby Vision video recording, 4K video at 60 FPS, and 120 FPS slow motion. If you're into photography or videography, the X200 Pro's camera setup is where the real magic happens. It's the one to get if you love capturing those perfect moments. But for everyday users, the X200's camera is still more than capable. Both phones run on Origin OS 5, based on Android 15, and let me tell you, Vivo has packed in some cool features. One of the highlights is the new dynamic island, yes, like the iPhone. But it's got some additional tweaks that make it super handy for multitasking. You can even use it to quickly share photos, navigate, and more. Cyclone, and if you're the outdoorsy type, you'll love the walkie-talkie app that works with Bluetooth to communicate over distances of 2 to 4 kilometers, even without the internet. Vivo's thought of everything. Evergreen Tree Globe. Let's talk pricing. The Vivo X200 starts at approximately £464 in the UK, and the X200 Pro will be priced at around £648, with an expected release in December. For the price, you're getting cutting-edge performance, top-tier camera systems, and all the latest tech innovations. So, which one should you get? Thinking face if you want a lighter, more affordable phone with great all-round performance, go for the Vivo X200. But if you're a camera enthusiast or want the absolute best in video quality and performance, then the X200 Pro is worth every penny. What do you think? Is the Vivo X200 series a game changer? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thumbs up lastly, don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay smiling. Smile, see you in the next video.